So the training program's great here at Acquirent. There's both, formal and informal trainings. Like right when your butt hits the seat at Acquirent, you're gonna get a lot of, industry-specific trainings. If you're calling into hospital groups, you're gonna learn about how that works. But then there's also more structured training. It goes over to some of the sales fundamentals. A lot of the management, some of the more senior sales associates, contribute to that training. And that's more, getting through the gatekeeper, negotiations, some of the higher level stuff. But then when you get into level 2, level 3 trainings, then we're getting into the nitty-gritty of the particular role you have, some higher level, even some management trainings as well. This way, you have pretty much everything you need for starting at day 1, but then as you progress here, I've been here 3 years and I still have formal trainings as well.